Hi guys, my name's Rob and today I'm going to talk you through how to make a paracord bracelet like so. They are really good and they're really useful. Obviously it's basically a bit of string, a bit of paracord, but if you unwrap it all it ends up being quite a long bit of string. So this is kind of useful, especially in survival. If you're in the woods, you need to put a shelter up, or your hammocks, the side of the hammock's broken, you can take it all apart, get the bit of string, get the bit of paracord and use it. Actual for you guys, you might find it shoelace is broken, you can fix shoelace, or your rucksack's broken, you can fix your rucksack. All these little things, you can wear it on your wrist and it's always there if you need it. So in your pack you will get a length of paracord, it's about 1 metre. It's multicoloured. What colours you get, I don't know, but you'll get about 1 metre or so of paracord, and then you'll get 1 buckle clip. Now what you need to do is grab both ends together, fold it in half, and put both of these ends through, feed it through like that. What you're going to do, pull it down, and then with the loop, pull them through the loop, and put it nice and tight. Now you want to make sure that both this length and this length are the same length. You don't want one shorter than the other. Make sure both the same length. If you do find one's longer than the other, pull the middle bit down and then grab hold of both ends and just pull them together and you should get it. So it goes from the buckle all the way down, same length. What we have to do next is you feed both of these ends through the other clip. So, once you've got both clips on, clip it up and get it to the right size for your wrist. So, work out if you can have a small bracelet, big bracelet, but work out what size you need. Best way of doing it. Slide it onto your wrist. Put it so it's tight. You don't want it too tight, but put it so it's tight. And then just unclip it. And where the rope folds is how big the bracelet will be. So my bracelet will be that big. Now, the fun bit, the knots. So, what we'll do, we'll lay this down, and you've got 2 ropes going into it and 2 ropes coming out. Okay, so the first knot is the hardest knot. So what we're going to do is one simple knot, but take 1 bit of rope. So I've gone for the bit on my right hand side. Okay, and the left bit, move it out of the way for a minute. And the right bit, I'm going to fold over the top of these 2 ropes here. So it's going to cross them. Now this one here, on the left hand side, goes over one I put across. And you want to go underneath the bracelet, and the end of the rope goes up through this loop here. So you want to pull it nice and tight. As you do it, make sure the buckle doesn't move too much, so you've got the right length. Then you put it nice and tight. It should look like that. Step 2, we take this rope. See, it's coming out from underneath of that rope there. It might be a different colour to yours. That side there. It's this rope here. I'm going to fold over the top of those 2. This rope here goes across to one I put across these 2. So above those 2, it will come underneath there and go up through that hole there. And again, put it nice and tight. Step 3, you see it's purple rope. This rope comes out underneath it. So this is the one that we're going to fold across over there. Then this rope here goes over the top, underneath, and up through the hole. Once again, put it nice and tight. Okay, so step 4. Take this rope here, it comes out from underneath. so it goes underneath, you go across. This rope here, you go over that one, under the bracelet, up through the loop, and then pull it tight once again. Now from there on, it's doing the same step over and over again. So now this one here, that one's on top, that one comes out underneath, one underneath, fold over, that one goes down, under the bracelet, and up through there, put it tight, comes out underneath it, across, over, under, through, tight. Now the good thing is, as you go down, you'll notice a pattern. Now if any bits of the paracord looks out of place or looks out of the pattern, then just undo that one stitch and redo it again. Okay, so it's just literally going over, under, and through, tight, and keep on working down until you've reached the end of your buckle. So you've worked down the whole bracelet now. Now what you can do, if you find you have loads of excess, you can get this bit here and just kind of squash them all up together. It makes it a bit tighter, and you gained more space at the end there, so you can keep on going. If you find for some reason you run out of this, which is fine, you can just stretch these out a little bit. Okay, you can make the bracelet as tight or loose as you want it to. At the end of your bracelet, all you need to do is get a pair of scissors and just cut off the ends as close as you can to the bracelet, and then seal them shut. So get an adult, get a parent if needs be, and get a lighter and just singe the ends, otherwise they'll start to fray, come apart like that, which don't want to happen. So if you seal the ends of it, just lighter, just heat it up. Be aware that when this does get hot, it will melt and will stick to you. So just heat it up a little bit and do it. If you can't do that bit there, leave it. When you come back in, we'll do it here. We'll do it with you guys. Okay, but obviously you can do that. Okay, so you've got your bracelet. This one here is, we're going to go reverse it all. So if you wanted to, if for some reason you need the string, all you do, you just find the two end bits, you pull them apart, and you start to unweave it all, bit by bit. It'll all come apart. So once you've unpicked all the way up, undo the last little clip, last little one. Now see, pull off your buckles, so, and you get a nice long bit of cord. So it's basically gone from being that size to that much. Good tying shoelaces, or rucksack repairs, or hammer cup, or making a little shelter tie up in your garden. So I hope you all have made your paracord bracelets and they're actually working. Take a picture of it and send it over to us. If you do get stuck at any point, then give us a shout and we'll try and help you. If not, keep it to one side. When you come back in, we'll help you do it then.